Hey guys, Tyler here. I want to make a quick video for you and show you how to add the Google product data category to your products on your Shopify store. It's optional to add this, but it's super easy. It optimizes. I can't say for a fact that it optimizes the listings, but um, with Google, you want to add as much information as possible. So you want to go to your sales channel, Google, manage availability. Again, with Google, I like to for the Google Shopping ads, just so that my ads are as optimized as possible. I like to add as much information as possible. And all, as you know, with the Google app, it takes a minute to load. So I'm just going to Control F it. All right, so I need to add a barcode. I know that, and I keep getting the shipping cost error. I fixed that. It just needs to Google needs to catch up with me. I know that I fixed the shipping. All right, so Google product category right here. What I did was I just Googled, look up Google product category, and you're gonna get a lot of listings. Um, I like this website the best, productcategory.net. So the first thing that I did, of course, is I typed in mop bucket and no results. All right, so you got to just kind of broaden it out just a little bit. So I just went down to bucket. I got a bunch of different types of buckets. I'm just going to go with standard bucket. And here's the code. Here's the product category. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right here. All right, and that's it. Now, what I would do is, what you should probably do is you should probably fill out every one of these that you can. The more information that Google has, the better your chances are of your listing being optimized.